Hello, today I am going to speak about Rashtriya Poshan Ma or National Nutritional Month. Prime Minister Narendra Modi spoke about it in the last episode of Mann Ki Baat. So this Poshan Mahina, which is going to talk about balanced nutrition and nutritional education among the people to improve the nutritional indices of this country, especially nutritional status of children 0 to 6 years of age, adolescent girls, pregnant ladies and lactating mothers. The aim of this National Nutritional Month, which will be celebrated in September for the next 3 years, is to bring down the prevalence of stunting or short stature, which is about 38% in India to 25%, to bring down the level of undernutrition in India, and to bring down the prevalence of anemia, which is very, very high in India. So to do these things, the government, union government, is looking at a few specific areas. The areas are breastfeeding, optimal growth monitoring, sanitation and hygiene in children, food fortification, education in girls, diet and the right marriage age in girls. Now, let us dwell a bit more on each of them. As you know, breastfeeding should be exclusively for the first 6 months, and then breastfeeding should be complemented with solid foods, and breastfeeding can be continued up to 2 years of age. The reports in India suggest up to 55% of women are exclusively breastfeeding in the first 6 months, and the number falls much below by the end of first year. So there will be a great push to improve this breastfeeding practices in India among all women. Growth monitoring. When the children come for the vaccinations, the height and weight will be measured and monitored, and also pediatricians or the ASHA workers will be talking to them about the right balanced food which they have to start children at 6 months and how slowly they build up over it. The current national statistics is alarming. Only less than 10% of children in India are getting a proper balanced diet between the ages of 6 months to 23 months. So a lot of work needs to be done in that area. Sanitation and hygiene practices has to be improved all across India, and especially so in the rural areas and the slum dwellings, to bring down infections, because infections is one of the key factors which can cause malnutrition in children. Food fortification with key elements such as iodine and iron can bring down thyroid deficiencies and anemia in children. So this also government should give a great impetus. Education in girls. As we all know, higher the education in girls, better is the nutritional status in that particular society. So the key should be to make sure most or all of Indian girls to get enrolled in schools and continue their primary and secondary education. Diet and marriage age in girls. So government is looking to see if the marriage age in girls itself could be increased so that the women are better nourished, stronger, older and more educated by the time they can have their own babies. So with this background in mind, this whole month I want to dedicate by making a series of videos, especially on nutrition, where I am going to specifically talk about carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals. I will also talk of these elements in specific age groups so that we all get educated and ensure that our children are not malnourished. Also, I would like to mention that I also want to talk about obesity. Although in India, currently obesity in children is 2.5%, but it is steadily growing. So we also should ensure that children remain fit and not become obese, because in India, non-communicable diseases such as obesity, diabetes and hypertension is alarmingly on the rise. So thank you friends. I will be getting back to you shortly with the series on diet and nutrition.